Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. This morning I'll talk about an exchange that people still comment on videos I've done like 2-3 years ago. It's one of the first videos on exchange I did. I really do like BITPANDA, so I've used it for many years. There's never been any issues. Easy to deposit fiat to crypto and also back. Now, before we used to do bank transfers because it was SEPA within the European Union. It used to take 2 to 3 days. Literally now it takes less than 45 minutes. Okay, so it really is an excellent way if you want to convert crypto to fiat. Obviously, we've got a lot of restrictions here in the UK with various banks now stopping all crypto purchase. However, you can still do the bank transfers because you're using a third party and they don't realize that it's actually going for crypto. So that's an excellent way to get around the system. Also, just realized wearing a yellow shirt wasn't the best thing for this video, but never mind. Anyway, so today we're going to talk about BITPANDA. I say so many people still comment about videos. They still want me to give an update on BITPANDA. So one of the exchange, it's only available within the EU and the UAE. In fact, I've got a link here when I found it of all the places that you can actually use it. So I'm surprised that they haven't sort of gone international, covered Asia, example, even South America, Asia, etc. However, they're still refrained and they decided just literally just stay within the EU, as I say, and UAE. So I love BITPANDA, as I said. Now, when you first log on to bitpanda.com, you have 2 options. You've got your BITPANDA, your normal one, or your BITPANDA Pro, which is for trading. Now, I just use purely the BITPANDA. So when you're actually on your dashboard, you can see here it's never really changed their dashboard much, to be honest. But where BITPANDA is completely different from all other exchanges, it's not just crypto. You can literally, it's like a one-stop shop for everything. And I'll show you in a minute. So you can see all the different parts of it. I say it's a very easy dashboard to lay out. And also you've got here like your portfolio, discover, your trade. When you hit that, you can buy, sell, swap easy again from crypto to fiat and so forth. Deposit again is very easy. You've got your obviously your fiat currencies. I say heavy restrictions here, but bank transfers are no problem whatsoever. And obviously you've got your cryptocurrencies as well. You can also swap between cryptos, easy swap, very quick. Fees are very good as well. Also, you've got here your notifications and also got your Panda bit here. Now, when you have a look at here, you can see obviously my account. Now, the card, unfortunately, is not available in the UK, but it's available the rest of EU. My history, I've been a long time. My best, which is their own token. The staking that you offer, also offers savings plans. They've got many different parts of it. Now, the things with BITPANDA as well, they're very proactive dealing with regulatory issues. They like to embrace regulatory issues. They talk to the regulatory departments all the time. So they're very open and transparent about what they're actually doing with the regulatory, and they've got a lot of approval. So I have no issues whatsoever using them. I really don't. Now, as I say, when it talks about prices, it's got everything. You can see here, you can select all, but I say you can literally do metals here. You've got gold, all the biggest corporations, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, etc. You can also narrow it down to crypto. You can see here all the ones available. Obviously, gives you regular charts updates. You've got your leverage, your crypto indices. You just do your stocks if you want. I say if you want to, in a bear market, you might first stocks, but it's very, very rare. I'm not sure of any other exchanges where you've literally got options for both, where you've literally got your commodities, your metals, your stocks, your crypto, and everything in one place. So it's very easy, like a one place to have it. Now, as I always say, when you sign up to BITPANDA, I do have a referral link. If you want to use that, I do appreciate it. If you want to use the link, please make sure you're using bitpanda.com if you don't use my link. But also, they're very strict with their verification. You have to go for a phone call with it. It doesn't take long, but they're very strict with verification. Also, if you use a new card, for instance, if you're using a new debit or credit card, you have to send a screenshot and a selfie, basically, because they want to make sure it's genuine people, obviously money laundering, etc. So that's a great thing. But I say, when you just scroll through and all the different ones you can get here, it is literally endless. Every big corporation you can imagine. Okay, so it does give you the opportunity to diversify and see what you want to do. Now, the next one is the best token itself. Now, it's not ranked currently on CoinMarketCap. They're not sure on the market. They think it's about 100 million. I've held some best for ages. You get rewards every time you do a trade, etc. And also, if you actually do the trade with best, you get more. Obviously, it's lower fees, etc. Because, again, it gives you that usage. Now, you can see at the moment, the supply, we're basically going to be 1 billion max. But at the moment, we've got 794 million. Okay, so, again, fully diluted market cap, they think it's about £306 million. But the all-time high was about £2.30. All-time low was under a penny. So I think it's just really perfectly poised. Get some best token. It's a solid project. Got general usage, obviously. Again, it really does take it to the next level. Now, something I covered the other day on that inbox video is the fact they're doing this now on BITPANDA Spotlight, another new section they're doing. Promising coins take centre stage. Now, From that video I did literally on Mobox, you can see now we've got 4 days. They're giving away 36,000 Mobox tokens just so get in early. So again, it gives you a lot of opportunity there to get some Mobox, get some free airdrops. Wonderful project. Spoke very fondly about that yesterday. Also like BitPanda's blog. Now, they're giving regular updates all the time. You can see there Ethereum is now available to stake on BitPanda. BitPanda teams up with BlockBit to help you save money this tax season. And also here was really interesting. BitPanda unlocks financial freedom. They bring out their own AI. It's called BitPanda.ai Division. And basically want to go initial investment, look into artificial intelligence. They've put $10 million into that project. And also BitPanda Cash Plus is an announcement literally last couple of days with revolutionizing savings with high yield returns and 24/7 availability for EUR, GBP and USD. So it's 2.57%. Obviously not great on your cash, but a lot better than you get in a bank, for example. So that's something else they've just announced. Now, this is across the EU, as I say. Now, when it comes to staking, as I said, I'm actually going to start staking on here because they've actually recently increased the Polkadot and Cosmos returns. You can see they're both 15%. Now, I sold a lot of my Cosmos in the last bull run. In fact, it's now outside my top 20 holdings by value, would you believe? And it is a truly wonderful project. So I will be getting myself some more Cosmos, ready for the next bull run, but also staking 15% per year is good. And I say, nice solid return. Passive income in a bear market, make it work for you. Their biggest return, as you can see on the screen, is ApeCoin, 25%. I don't own any ApeCoin. Audis, another great project. Secret, Osmosis. Osmosis is actually one that I'm looking at really in depth at the moment, whether I'm actually going to get a decent bag of it. So it does look a really exciting project. As you scroll down, obviously the percentage go lower, but even near Protocol, you get an 8.5%. Obviously a wonderful project. Even the graph, 7.6. So there's a lot of solid staking return. So again, it's a new feature they've added literally the last sort of 6 months or so, or year maybe now. So again, it's great to see. So if you want to use my referral link, I say I do appreciate it to support the channel. So what they do, depends on what you invest, is how much we both get as reward. So up to 500 euros, we get €5 each. Okay, not a huge amount, but it's better than nothing. Okay, now if you're a big time investor and you want to go like 5,000 euros, we get €30 each. So again, you don't have to use my link, but I do appreciate anyone who does. Fully absolutely appreciate everyone who uses my link, supports the channel, want to grow it, obviously. So I really do. I love the team. I love our Telegram group. Everyone helps each other. Come and join my Facebook group. Just help anywhere I can. I've also got my email as well if you need any help or guidance. So with BitPanda, so it's very easy to get started. Log in, secure password, set your 2FA. But anyone want to help, obviously just email me, info@cryptostrand.com, or all my social media links below. Don't hesitate. Just reach out to me, basically. If you've got any concerns, send me a screenshot. We even have a FaceTime through Instagram, for example. So I don't mind helping. But as I say, when you just scroll through it and see all the prices of all the different things you can do from commodities, say, to ETFs, to crypto, to stocks, you look at their best, their token, just 30p. Most of the supply out there, really, in comparison. The new Spotlight section, I think, is really interesting. They send you an email every time they list a new token. So again, that's something to be wary of. But I'd say their blog is very informative as well. So when you look at BitPanda as a whole, I think it's a wonderful exchange and it covers so many different parts. The main thing for me over the years has been how easy from fiat to crypto to fiat they've made it. They make it so simple, so easy, no dramas, no epic, and it's all done. And I say I've used BitPanda for years. BitPanda read bank transfers, use Coinbase through their PayPal. But I say BitPanda makes it really easy and their fees are very reasonable. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. Just thought I'd give another update on the BitPanda exchange. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.